So I'm back with a 10-hole hunt at long last on the Fields of Dreams on the main part, because they've cut some of it. Obviously there they've cut and ploughed, but I think they've already seeded, because there's a marker in the middle of the field over there, so I don't think I can go on that. But I have a signal, first signal here. Let's have a look at it together. What do you reckon? It's late 20s, early 30s. Now, I would have said pull tab anywhere else except here. Don't like the numbers now. So my initial idea of what it might be is probably gone. Okay, well I can see something. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Just, well, when I say just a piece of lead, is it just a piece of lead? I mean, it's lead. Don't know about that one. Okay. Well, that's kind of an interesting find for the first one. Could it be a bullet? But I mean, that's very flat and that has a very straight edge. I think that's something else, but I don't know what. Okay. Cool. See you at the next. Well, I don't think I'm going to be able to class this one as hole number 2. 27. It's so squeaky. It's got to be right on the surface. And I think I can see it here. Yeah, more lead. Okay. Moving on. Target number 3. Jumpy 80s. Some of these 80s, don't know, bullet casing, hope not, but you never know. Gold coin, probably not. Now it's solid 80s. Let's have a look. I'll come back to you in a minute, guys, if I can find it. Helps if you have the pinpointer actually on, properly on. So yeah, got it now. Check this out. Okay. Careful. Wow, that's a beauty. That's really beautiful. Don't know exactly how old that is. My guess is it's going to be too old for me to keep. See if I can just get the worst of the dirt out of that while I'm here, without doing any damage to it, just to get a little bit of the worst out of it. Okay, I think that's about all I dare do. Yeah. Proper cleanup we'll have to wait for later, but check that out. Hole number 3, I think. What a find. I'm a little bit speechless with that. That's beautiful. It's one of the nicest buckles I've found. Yeah, I know I can't keep it, but at least I'll have the video of it. Moving on. Number 4. Chirpy 20 signal. Probably a piece of aluminium is my guess. This field is that another target? It just beeped at me. Just waved its head. No. Yeah, it's grunty. It's like it's an iron signal in there. It's not deep. Don't see it. Ah, yeah, there we go. Sorry guys, don't know if you could see that then. It's just a piece of aluminium, which is what I thought it was. Okay. Can't have buckles every time. Moving on. Number 5. It's sat right on the surface, it seems. Well, nearly on the surface anyway. 60s signal. Oh, it's out. Have a look. That's the thing with ploughed land. Even though it's sat on the surface, could be something really good. Could also be a load of old rubbish. Oh, that's it there. Okay. Well, it's not really good, and it's not a load of old rubbish. It's actually a little buckle, and I'll take it. And it's got a little bit of detail on that, so that'll clean up nice. Okay. I don't know how old that is, but I guess looking at the detail on it, that it's also too old for me to keep. Yeah, and it would have had another piece here, so a bit like a butterfly. But yeah, okay. Wow. 2 buckles in one hand is always good. Moving on. Number 6. 66. Number 6. I'm right on it, whatever it is. Is that it? See something in there. I think that's it. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's interesting. That feels like a piece of lead. I'm pretty sure it is. I can't see anything on it, but well, that's a mystery to me. There's this spike underneath, so I don't think it's a button. It can't be a bullet, I don't think. Don't know. Pretty sure that's lead. That's really heavy. And an interesting find. If any of you guys know what that is, let me know. Moving on. Number 7. A very squeaky 30s signal. Trash or treasure, I don't know. But I'm hopeful. That number normally brings me something good here. But we'll have a look. They've spread muck all over this, so yeah, having to be a little bit careful. Don't want to fill the car with it. Have a look. Right there. Dig around it in case it's something cool. I saw something. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay. I'm not going to complain. Number 7, I think. I don't know, I'm useless with these, keeping count on these 10-hole digs. Number 7. It's not silver, but it's a pocket watch case. It's around, I mean, what can I say? This landed must have seen a lot of activity, because I think this is the 4th or 5th pocket watch casing I found on here. Oh, yeah. And every time they plow this, I mean, as I say, this is seeded, I think, so I'm not going to go on it. But every time they plow this, more comes up. So they get years of detecting here. Okay, moving on. Exciting. This could be something interesting. Pocket watch just came out of their case. Right next to it, but it's a jumpy signal. Pinpointing is finding it difficult. Small target, my guess. Hopefully a piece of the pocket watch. It'd be great if it's the whole movement, but I think it's too small a target. Now it's gone to iron. Really? Oh, that's a shame. Get my knee pads right. As I say, I've got to be careful what I'm kneeling in at the moment. It's right there, whatever it is. Okay, that's... what are we on? Number... I don't know, guys, number 8. Did you see that just pop across there? I don't know what you could see in the camera. What is that? Button. Yeah, button. Okay. But I do like a good button, as a lot of you guys know. So it's got the shank in it, but it's seen better days by the looks of it. So be careful with that. That had silver wash on it. Was silver plated by the looks of it. But that's beautiful. I mean, there's no shape on it or detail like that I can see, but that's a really nice find. Okay, cool. Moving on. Number 9 is a very chirpy, happy to see me signal. Not very big. A lot of gratitude to you guys for watching my videos and for all the support, because I was recently broken into. Really appreciate you guys. Bossy, you're a trooper. You put out a lot of content. Really appreciate you. Ads out and about. Philip Wills. There's so many of you guys out there that offered great support. Randolph Relic Recovery. Go and check out his channel. He's really cool. Got some really good stuff he finds. Robbie Cole, the Dinnington Detectorist. Yeah. Pooh. Oh, where is it? Oh, here somewhere. The North Devon Detectorist. I have to mention him because he's got a giveaway at the moment. I don't know what that is. Could be a button. So go and check out his channel. I think he's coming up to 600 subscribers. And he's going to be giving away some silver coins and some other things. So that's well worth going to check him out. And I think Detecting with Tom, if I'm not mistaken, also has a 300 subscriber giveaway coming up. So go and check out both channels. I'll try and put links to these channels below. Don't know whether that's a stud. It could be a button. I have found Roman studs here from the sandals before. I don't know if that's what it is, because there was a Roman villa here on this ground, and they had a beautiful mosaic floor which was taken away and is on display for people to see. That could be something a little bit interesting. Could also be not, but pretty good for a 10-hole hunt. I think that's number 9. We'll see what we can get for the last target. Well, I think I found number 10. I have no idea. This signal's jumping all over the place. 30s, 40s, and down to 20s. Don't know. But as you've seen from the other finds so far out of this hunt, you just really never know what you're going to get here. It's out. And it's just in there somewhere. Yeah, okay. Yep. Thought I found it for a moment. Well, I have found it, whatever it is. Ah, it's a bullet. Okay. It's a lead bullet. Yeah, I find a lot of these here. There was a battle here, from what I can piece together so far, early 1800s. Probably Napoleon's armies. But on this side of the hill I haven't found any uniform buttons, which Napoleon's army had quite a lot of nice uniform buttons. So this side of the hill, where there's hundreds and hundreds of lead bullets, it was probably the opposing force. So when I get on the other side of the valley, should be able to get hold of some decent buttons. Okay, last target. Thanks for watching, guys. Moving on. So everybody, I'm trying out a new Canon 1100, not new, second-hand one. Managed to pick up because I realized I have some problems with I have a Samsung phone that I'm using, and trying to couple that with an Apple PC is not very happy. Tried different ways but can't seem to make it work. Anyway, as a 10-hole hunt, it was really good. This is an incredibly beautiful buckle. I don't think I've ever found one like that before. Take a look at that. Nearly complete, almost got the center in it. Pocket watch case, always love finding these. It's actually in pretty good condition. Button, nothing on it, but still very nice. A possible stud, boot stud for Roman shoe. There's a lot of Roman activity in that area. Another piece of a buckle. It's got some detail on it. Also very, very nice to find. Piece of lead with an iron spike of some kind. I have no idea. A Roman chariot wheel off a toy? Probably not. And some bits of lead, which I find a lot of in that area. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll leave you with the sight of that wonderful buckle. And moving on.